You get a good picture of this garage?
Yeah, it's all good.
Scrape this popcorn.
Yep. Go back with texture. What year was this house built?
68 or 71.
So what I've learned is, depending on how old the ceiling is, it's really, really hard to go back and make it a smooth ceiling. The older the sheetrock is up there.
You probably have to take it out.
You would have to take the sheetrock out if you want to make it a smooth ceiling. But if you want it to be a texture ceiling,
I wouldn't do texture here, man.
then Riley can't
Nah,
do texture.
because texture is just as bad.
Really?
If I'm thinking about what you, if
When I
it's
say
what I'm
texture,
thinking,
I'm just thinking about what you did in Diplomat.
I didn't do nothing different than dip.
What's
Right.
What's this?
I mean, it shouldn't be any plumbing.
7? No, it shouldn't be.
It
Nothing.
shouldn't be any electrical.
And it ain't HVAC.
Right.
Well, let's see, is there a bench right here or something?
Hey Jay, this is the part I was talking about where the ceiling drops down low. Watch out, Reg.
Yeah.
As you can see, it dropped down about a foot lower. And so I don't think there's any piping in there,
I think
but
they just, I don't know why they did that. But normally people would do it because of the cabinets. They don't want to have the 30-inch
Right.
cabinets, but I don't see a reason why they do the whole thing. I think you can open it up and it's going to be just like this.
okay, that's what I'm thinking too.
Only the reasons to put stuff up there will be for plumbing, so we can see what's upstairs,
Yeah.
or HVAC. But there's no vents on any of this, so I don't see why you would have that area.
Right.
If it ain't feeding vent to over here. Plus, if I haven't even, the vents are down. It looks like. Looks like it probably is.
That's a nice fireplace.
But it looks like.
Check the windows for me, man. See if that one.
These windows all be replaced, bro.
You think so?
Look like double windows.
Yeah, these windows. I mean, I would replace these windows from the way I already seen them. And there won't be no point in holding on to them.
Okay.
So I would count the windows up. Yeah, definitely original. Yeah, single pane. Yeah.
You know what? I got my little paper in the car. I'll get it when I take this
What if it
video.
says hardwood underneath you?
Probably. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see no double on the ceiling, so it's gotta be HVAC on the floor. Yeah, it was return on hand.
You just pass it. This is, check out this right here. This is another problem. Yeah.
Oh.
Shoot.
Oh yeah, it does go back deeper.
So Jay, hold on, excuse me. This is the sink issue right here, where the sink is out in the bathroom.
At this same distance with a stand-up shower, this whole area. You know what I mean? So a vanity, when you come, well, I mean, obviously be further back that way, but vanity, toilet, these spaces in this area right here, and then this whole back area.
It's a closet.
Yeah, now that might be. Yeah, that's tough. It's old school for sure. And I would expect a lot of rock and stuff probably in that shower that you have to get out.
So here's the funky bathroom, man.
So I said, this is what I said. Close
Let me
this
do
off.
this video real
Okay,
quick.
go ahead.
My bad. So now this will have to come out. This drop down shower needs to come out. And so the bathroom is tight. It looks like it's about 3.5 feet wide. And then the vanity is out here. So this is what I was telling you about.
Oh,
What is it? I don't even want to know. Don't you tell me. I don't want to know. Keep it yourself.
That's a master.
Okay, so here's an idea that we got this whole section. Here's the walk-in closet here. Here's the vanity, and here's the bathroom on this side. So we had an idea to gut this whole area and reconfigure the closet in the bathroom. If we could just move the piping over. So move the shower, toilet over here, and then make that side the walk-in vanity. And then I think on the other side of this closet is another bathroom. So we should be pretty solid on the plumbing. Getting all angles of the kitchen. All major that we seem like it's gonna be a problem. New double doors, new windows, new fixtures. Knock out that wall maybe. Come on, you good, man? Appliances. Oh, you good, man? I'm in your way? Shit. So, I'm here in Raleigh working on one of my projects, and there are a couple front doors here that I really want to refurbish. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm definitely going to try. Let me show you what I'm working with. They're a mess right now, right? I don't know if I can do it, but I'm going to try. What do you guys think? Think I can make it work? probably raining hard, but we gotta grind anyway to get this over with. You heard?